This is question 5 on problem solving from the 2018 ECAA. So we're told that a company's logo has broken into two pieces. These are those two pieces, and based on that, which one of these shapes cannot be the logo? So let's go through each of these possible logos and see if we can spot both of our shapes. So in this one, well, what's the most obvious shape? So we can see this part of shape 2. So let's draw in shape 2 to this image and see what's left. So we have this shape left, which looks like it corresponds to our shape here, assuming they can be flipped around. So it looks like this one's correct. Now what about this one? So again, we can see the outline of this shape is present here, so let's fill the rest of it in. Now what's left? Again, we have this sort of pattern, which looks like our shape number 1. So again, this one looks correct. So what about this third one? Well, it's not quite as obvious, but it looks like we can probably draw this shape in, so let's do that. The shapes are actually drawn to scale on the question paper, so we can use a ruler to make sure we're stopping at the right places. And so can we see our shape number 2? Well, yes, it looks like this has been flipped, and we can see its outline here. So this third one is correct. Now what about this fourth one? So it looks like we have the outline of this shape number 1 in this corner here, but the shape that's left is clearly not the same as shape number 2. But is there anywhere else we can put shape number 1 in this picture? Well, in this top bit, it looks like we can put it in like so. Again, using a ruler to make sure we're stopping at the right places. And the shape that's left looks just like a translation of shape number 2. So again, this fourth one can be correct. So finally, we want this last one to be wrong because we know one of them cannot be the logo. And so if we start with our shape number 1 that we can see on this side, then what's left? Well, it's almost shape number 2, but notice that we don't have this corner cut off. It's just a straight rectangle in this bit. So this is slightly wrong, and so we know that this cannot be the logo. So our final answer corresponds to E on the question paper.